Welcome back to the FIXBOND workshop. Today, we're diving into a DJI Mini to two-way charging hub restoration project. This unit came in with a classic case of cell degradation and physical bulging, a common nightmare for drone pilots, but here at FIXBOND, we take a different approach. I'm going to walk you through a complete cell swap, replacing original parts with upgraded, high-capacity cells. We'll cover everything from safe disassembly of swollen packs to the delicate process of BMS data recalibration. If you want to see how to restore reliability and add extra flight minutes to your drone, this one's for you.